Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, signed-in account and two-factor authentication. Once that's set, open Google Eraser and allow the app to access activity and relevant media so it can find deletable items. Start a new erasure session and choose scope, specific dates, services, or types like images and voice. Make sure to preview matches before deletion so you avoid removing needed files. This initial targeting saves time and reduces risk as you move into detailed selection. Now you'll refine selection. Apply date filters, restrict to particular Google services, and use keywords to find precise items. Once results populate, preview each item to confirm it's the correct content, then select individually or choose bulk if they're all safe to remove. Adjust Smart Suggestion sensitivity to include near matches or be conservative. This matters because higher sensitivity finds more items but increases false positives. After reviewing, you're ready to execute the erasure with confidence. When you execute the erasure, watch progress and wait for confirmation logs that list removed items and timestamps. This provides an audit trail. If you spot a mistake right away, use the Undo Grace window to recover content. Otherwise, confirm permanent deletion. If items persist, troubleshoot by rechecking permissions, clearing app cache, and ensuring Google Sync finished across devices. If problems continue, rerun a targeted pass or sign out and back in to force a fresh sync before trying again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.